believe I can hear. I believe I can hear. I believe I can hear. I don't know what they're saying. I hope they're saying we'll give you a pizza with anything you want. I hear 'em singing and I'm enjoying my pizza 'cause I believe I can eat. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Alright, we gathered this day, the Tuesday, Tuesday, yes, 28th. The truly wise woman builds up her house, but the foolish one tears it down with her own hands. I believe. Wait, they stopped singing. We'll see you tomorrow on the West One Radio. Everyone have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening.